In today's digital age, many of us spend hours glued to computer screens, smartphones, and tablets, whether for work, entertainment, or socializing. But this constant exposure comes at a cost: digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome. Symptoms like tired eyes, blurred vision, headaches, and neck pain are increasingly common, yet they are often overlooked until they become unbearable. According to Dr. Marianne Gata, an optometrist with Sutter Health, dry eyes are the primary culprit behind most of these symptoms. Normally, we blink about 18 times per minute, which keeps our eyes lubricated. However, when we stare at screens, our blink rate drops significantly, sometimes by half. This leads to dryness, irritation, and even burning sensations. Unlike printed text, digital screens emit brightness, flicker, and glare, forcing our eyes to work harder. The unnatural posture many of us adopt while hunched over laptops or smartphones only exacerbates the problem, contributing to neck and shoulder tension. Fortunately, there are actionable ways to combat these issues. Here are 5 simple steps you can follow to reduce eye strain caused by digital screens. First, maintain proper screen distance. Position your computer monitor 23 to 25 inches away from you, roughly an arm's length. For smartphones and tablets, keep them 16 to 18 inches from your eyes. Sitting too close forces your eyes to strain unnecessarily, while sitting too far may cause squinting. Second, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This simple habit helps relax the eye muscles and reduces fatigue. Setting a timer on your phone can serve as a helpful reminder. Third, minimize glare and adjust your settings. Glare from overhead lighting or windows can worsen eye strain. Reposition your screen to avoid reflections or invest in an anti-glare protector. Also, match your screen's brightness to the ambient lighting in the room. Avoid using overly bright screens in the dark. Fourth, consider computer glasses. Unlike standard reading glasses, these are specially designed for the distance of computer monitors. If you spend more than 2 hours daily on screens, ask your optometrist about them. Finally, schedule regular eye exams. Vision changes gradually, and outdated prescriptions can contribute to strain. Even minor adjustments in lens strength can make a big difference, and annual checkups can detect early signs of eye health issues. Beyond screen habits, biology plays a huge role. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water prevents dry eyes. Nutrition is also critical. Key nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin found in leafy greens, omega-3s from fish, vitamin A in carrots, and antioxidants in berries help protect against blue light damage and support retinal function. However, there is a broader context to consider. With remote work on the rise, eye strain is becoming a public health concern. Unlike the scrutiny applied to pharmaceuticals, corporate-driven tech industries rarely warn users about long-term risks. Meanwhile, the pharmaceutical industry often profits from treating symptoms with drops and pain relievers rather than addressing root causes. Some observers, like BrightU.ai's Enoch, suggest that digital eye strain is a consequence of a relentless push to dominate our lives through screens and electromagnetic pollution. To protect your vision, it is essential to reject blue light tyranny by minimizing screen time, utilizing natural lighting, and detoxing with antioxidants. True health comes from living in harmony with nature, not just relying on corporate-controlled technology. Digital eye strain is preventable. By adopting smart habits, investing in proper eyewear, and questioning mainstream narratives, you can take control of your health proactively. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and smash that like button to support us. Thanks for watching.